friends, this is Umesh Arora from CAD Solution Merit, and today we will create a model in surface design. So first we will start from the sketch so that we create a section of our body. So I choose this plane XZ and click OK. Before start, I will request you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel. So we will start from the line and click a line and zoom it. Now I will constrain this line with respect to origin and dimension this as 1.5. This is very small distance. Our dimension are in mm. I forget to change this, so first I change this. So I have changed the dimension. Let's start. So first line is 1.5 inches long, and just draw by image. No need to specify all dimension, just as your idea. And now dimension it. Dimension is 30 degree angle, and length of this vertical line is 0.325 millimeter, 0.325 inches, and the point is constant with this, and the length of this line is 2 inches. Now I will mirror these two lines with respect to origin. Select the center line and click OK. So only the arc is remain, so draw an arc, click and dimension it, and radius is 5 inches, and close it. This line is only for reference, so I will convert this as a reference. Our first sketch is ready, and now we will create another plane of so second plane is 4 inches away from the first one, and select again. I need one more plane, so we have 3 planes here. Now select the second one, and we will draw another sketch, another section, and zoom it. Next section is a little bit longer, bigger than the previous one. Just draw first line. जैसे कि पहले भी मैंने आप कई बार बोला है, फर्स्ट लाइन की डायमेंशन बहुत ज़रूरी है, सो डैट यू कैन इमेजिन कि हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो कितना बड़ा है. सो वी विल डिफाइन दिस लेंथ एज अ 1.75 inches long, and draw a line on a certain angle and click, and again click. Now I will align this vertically with the vertical axis. Now dimension this line as 0.325 inches long, and angle is the same as 30 degree, and the horizontal line is 2.5 meter long. Now we will draw, first I will mirror these two lines, mirror with respect to center line, select the center, so mirror image will come. Now draw a arc, and I will convert this horizontal line to a reference, and I will change this radius to 5. Now close it and finish the sketch. Our second sketch is ready. Now we will sketch on the third plane, and please orient the axis so that it will come properly in the sketch interface. Now we have to create the third sketch. First, draw a line and dimension it to 1.25. Now constrain it with the origin, and again draw line parallel to, and click and click. Now dimension this. The horizontal line is 1.55 inches long, and the midpoint of this line is oriented with the vertical line, and the vertical line distance is 0.325 inches. The rest is same, so I will mirror this line, select and mirror with respect to vertical axis and click OK. Only the arc is remain. Draw a line, draw an arc and dimension it as 5 radius. Now I will convert this horizontal line as a reference. So our 3 sketch are now ready. Now I have to connect all 3 sketches with the help of through curve. I will select the first one, select the second, and then the third one, and click OK. It will come in the solid form. I will change it as a sheet and click OK. Our sketch is ready. It is something like this. Now we will go to top plane and we will draw a circle, and the radius of this circle is 4 and the diameter is 8. Now we will position it like this. The vertical distance is 4.75 and the center of this circle is vertically aligned with the mid plane. Now I will trim it with respect to center. Dimension it is already correct. Now finish, or I will change this as a reference and close. Now I will choose revolve command and select profile, and the vector is this, and the origin point is this. No subtract union, only like this, and click OK. Now we want to trim this. the inner portion of the body which is coming inside this partial sphere. First mirror this. I choose this and mirror feature and mirror with respect to this and click OK. Now we will trim the sheet. Our first surface is this, second is this. Now click on and click. Or we will choose this discard. So just click on keep, OK, and preview and apply. Again this and the first one and preview. So we discard and apply. For this first, second, keep, preview, apply, and again first this one, the boundary, the previous one, and discard, preview, and OK. Our remote shape now comes. Our remote is something like this. Now this surface is open from both ends, so I will choose this unsided surface and connect it. I will close this with the help of unsided command and click OK. Now we have to join all the surfaces so that we will do fillet command on the body. So go to the insert and combine and choose the sew command. The sew command will combine all the surfaces into one surface. Select all and OK. It will automatically convert the body into the solid. So surface body will convert into the solid body. Now just choose the edge blend. The radius of edge blend is 0.5 and I will choose this radius, this edge. Now select the edge blend and select the edges where you want to blend. Select all the 8 edges and the radius of this fillet is 0.5 and click OK. Our model will look like this. Again choose the edge blend and select the upper face and the radius will be 1.25 and click on the show preview and the opposite side. Click on preview and click OK. Something is not okay, so choose this one and this one and choose this and this as well. I'm not satisfied with this one, so I will cancel it and again choose, and the radius is 0.125 and select the lower face and apply it. First I will fillet these 4 lines, these 4 edges and apply. Now I will choose this and click OK. Our model will look like this. Now hollow the part. So I choose shell and change the sub option to shell all faces and select the body, and the thickness of this part will be 0.06 inches. The shell is done. If you want to check, you can go to the section and create new section, and you can see here is the thickness. And now cancel it. Now we will cut it into two pieces. So I will select this face and now create a arc of radius 80. Click, and the point will come, at the middle of the width. Something is not good, so again I choose and click this point and the end point, this end point, both will horizontally align, and the radius is 80 and this is 0.25 and click OK. Now finish. Now extrude this curve as a symmetric value on the both direction and click OK. Now it is something like this. Now trim the body. This is the body and the face, and preview, but reverse it and apply. Hide this body. The one part of our remote. Similarly, second part will come. So our lower half is like this, and we will add it, trim body and reverse the direction, and our upper half is something like this. So friends, hope you understand this properly. So keep watching and see you on next video tutorial. So take care and goodbye.